Rogue security software, also sometimes called scareware, is a type of malicious software that deceives users into believing their computer is infected with viruses or other threats. It uses fear tactics to trick you into paying for useless or even harmful software. It often disguises itself with a professional-looking interface that resembles legitimate antivirus software. The software will run fake scans and display phony warnings about critical threats found on your system. These threats are entirely fabricated. Rogue software bombards you with alarming pop-up messages and notifications, creating a sense of urgency and panic. This pressure is designed to make you buy their solution before your computer is supposedly destroyed. Thanks for watching.